Right. Here we go. Another 50p coin hunt. £250. All sealed bags. Very nice. Royal Bank of Scotland, Camberley Coin Centre. Oh, 20th of the 2nd, 2020. What? Oh, what's the other bag I've got? 20th of the 2nd, 2020. Can you hear that rain? I think I better stop and start again once the rain has stopped. Listen to it. Okay, so I've got two bags. 11 o'clock in the morning, 41 seconds past 11, 49 seconds past 11. So let's go for the 41 seconds past 11. Look at that. Right. Wish me luck. So I'm guessing there's not going to be any Brexits in here. Second, well, it could be some Brexits might have made their way into circulation, I don't know. But it's probably doubtful, but we have a heroic act in there, that's for sure. So I'm trying to think what else won't be in here. Obviously, we're not going to get any 70th Platinum Jubilee coins or anything like that, aren't we? Hopefully, there's something absolutely amazing. Kew Gardens, could be a Kew Gardens, that's been sitting there and waiting for 2 years, 8 months. Hopefully, there's something amazing in here. Okay, so we've got a Britannia, obviously, 97. There we go. It's going to be a Britannia. We know that because that portrait is only on one coin. There we go. Britannia. So, well, actually, that's not true, is it? 97, 98 is the EC star. So yeah, that's only the one coin. Hang on, now I've got to double check what I just said. EC stars, which is 98, which is the IRB portrait. Yes, there we go. Right, Britannia 2008. If I find one of those, that'd be amazing. Low mintage year, cool. But otherwise, not really interested in Britannias. Shields, I'm still looking for any 2020s onwards, which I'm not going to find in this bag, am I? If we find a 2017 low mintage shield, fantastic. Or not intended for circulation coins, just like the 2009, 10, 11, 16 and 18, that'd be fantastic. But I guess the newest coin I'm going to find in here is 2019 shields, I should imagine. So we've got a Christopher Ironside, which I've already dropped. There we go, and he is 2013. Cool, and then we had a Teggy Winkle. Very nice, 2016. Potter. Britannias. Hey, and is that the heroic act I saw in the beginning, or a second one, another one? It's Monday night. Fireworks night was Saturday. Bonfire night was Saturday the 5th. It's now Monday the 7th, and there's still fireworks going off. My poor doggies, the poor doggos, I'll be terrified right about now, so let's get this done and I can go up and snuggle up with them. There we go. We have a Benjamin Bunny. How cool is that? We're going to sign him and put him out into the wild. Release him back into the wild. We finally get a Paddington at the tower. I've been waiting for this one. What's this? 4? Is this 5 videos? video number 5. And we finally found a tower. Paddington Corner starts there. Oh, Paddington at the cathedral. I was looking at something else. Paddington at the cathedral. Oh, come on, let's get a quadruple Paddington. Hey, the coin I love to love. The dictionaries, yay. We have a Sherlock. That's pretty cool. 2019. A Sherlock. It's probably about the newest coin we're going to find, isn't it? Sherlock. What are the newer 20? I'm going to have to look. I'm going to have to check. I'm going to have to look. Sherlocks and the Paddingtons that we've already found, because everything else, like I say, Brexit, we're probably not going to find. Not going to find diversity, are we? 2020, and then it jumps to 22 with the platinum. So, that's it, folks. That's it. We found the most up-to-date coins there is possible to find. Oh dear. There's still a chance. There's still a chance there could be something absolutely stonking amazing in this hunt. Absolutely every chance. Nearly went straight past that one. It's the other Victoria Cross, the medals. Cool. Nice to have both of them. Little mini sets completing them. Come on, I want some decent Olympics out of this. I want some decent Olympics. The Scouts. There we go. Pretty cool. Nice and clean compared to the last one we found. Could swap out the old manky one that's in the book for that one. But I kind of quite like the old manky one. The look of it. We'll have to have a little think about that. Sometimes you see things and you're going so quick that you just don't register what you've seen, and you just spin it over. Get rid of these 19 shields, get rid of them. Yeah, so you spin it over, you glance at the date and you just don't recognise, or you just don't think, you know, it doesn't trigger something in your brain to go, whoa, stop. 2011, I've already seen what it is. It's not the best Olympic, but it is an Olympic. Every Olympic find is amazing. Aquatics. There we go. And there's no lines across its face. His, hers, its face. But it is an Olympic. An Olympic find is still an Olympic find. Whoop whoop. There we go. A People's Act. There you go, 2018. Another People's Act. 2 in one bag. 17. That'll be something. Oh, my girl guides. So, girl guides, kind of cool. I think the Scouts is a better coin, but never mind. And then the 2017 is a Peter Rabbit. No more Benjis. Right, where's the... There we go, Paddington at the Palace. Cool. We just need to find the train now. Just need to find Paddington at Paddington Station. Please. Oh, another 17. 17. Bunny? Benjamin? Ah! A 2017 shield! How cool is that? Another one. Fantastic. We'll keep hold of that, I should imagine. Right, there we go. Second week in a row. AEC stars. Is that upside down? Yeah, there we are. Cool. Nice one. I will be keeping that. Yes, definitely. No hesitation about it. Ah, Battle of Britain. That's cool. Nice one. Now there are, or there possibly could be, two variants of this. We have the JC portrait, Jodie Clark, and this year the IRB was used in the annual set. So if we find an IRB Ian Rank Broadley, that has been ripped out of a set, and that is NIFC coin. But it looks a bit too grubby and manky for that, so I think, well, I know it's a JC. But cool find, we don't have it in the book. That's another one that's going to go in the book. We've got two that go in the book. Another three that are interesting enough to keep hold of them. Okay, waffling on is nearly at an end. Last bag luck, hopefully. Last bag luck. Let's see. Oh well, we got a bunny. We got another bunny, and I don't know if I've been checking the rotations on these. Oh well. Right, last couple of coins. No, just Britannia's to finish on. Well, okay, so in the battle of cathedrals versus towers, yeah, who cares? We've got 4 more bunnies to sign. We'll just check all of these before, because I don't think I did too many of them when we were doing the hunt. Looks alright. Yeah, they're okay, so I'll scribble on them, graffiti them. They're all going back to the bank, don't need any of them. I don't think so. We've got girl guides, haven't we? Do I keep that Scouts or swap it over for that Scouts? I think I'm going to keep that one in there. We don't have a medals, heroic acts. That's silly of me, isn't it? So there we go. We have medals to go in the album. Very silly of me. I'm assuming it goes next to heroic acts. It'd be a bit weird if they were broken up, wouldn't it? Separated. So that's cool. And then we know we got Easy Stars, Battle of Britain, of course, but Olympics come before that. Top middle for aquatics. Aquatics, nice. Did we have a girl guides? Yes, we do, because Scouts and Guides is separated by the Kew Gardens, and then Battle of Britain. So it's after. It's near Battle of Hastings, isn't it? Battle of Hastings there. And in my other book. Yes, it's the one before Battle of Hastings. So we're filling up nicely this book. I think it must be episode 5, so we've had £2,500 worth of coins to hunt through. So we found quite a decent amount already. Fantastic. Yay, brilliant. And the rest, we'll keep the 17 and the EC Stars. Oh, what silly Billy. Paddington at the Tower. Dear oh dear, I need something to eat. I need some dinner. I think sausage, egg and chips, I think. Oh, jeez. Get in there. Get in there. We have all the Paddingtons now. Cool. Nice one. So, lots more put in the book. Brilliant. Just want to save those bunnies. The rest go in go back to the bank. Sign them. Keep them. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching to the end as always. I'm mega appreciative of that. If it's your first time here, like, subscribe if you want to. Until the next video, please keep looking out for those coins to collect.